Friends, Namaste. This is Vatsalya Bharadwaj again for all of you. As you all know, GST return due dates have been extended by the government again. In this video, basically, we are going to discuss the recommendations made by GST Council in 21st meeting at Hyderabad on 9th September 2017. A few highlights of the meeting are as follows. Basically, the returns for the month of July 2017 has been extended again. GSTR 1, as you all know, is for the outward supplies return. In simple terms, we call it as sales return. The due date has been extended to 10th October 2017. GSTR 2, which is basically the inward supplies details, and the due date of the same has been extended to 31st October 2017. GSTR 3, which is basically the auto-populated details of 1 and 2. The due date of the same has been extended to 10th November 2017. As we can see, the due dates have been extended a lot. GSTR 6, which is basically the ISD return, the due date for the same has been extended to 30th October 2017. There is one more information regarding GSTR 1. Basically, the registered person who are having aggregate turnover more than 100 crore rupees, the due date for them for GSTR 1 is 3rd October 2017. It's 3rd October 2017 for the registered persons having aggregate turnover more than 100 crore rupees. Now, GSTR 4, which is basically the return for composition dealers, which are supposed to file the returns on a quarterly basis. So for the month of July 2017 to September 2017 quarter, the due date for filing of GSTR 4 for them is 18th October 2017. There is one more relief given to the composition dealers. Over here, the table 4 of GSTR 4, they are not supposed to file the same. What is table 4? Table 4 is basically inward supply details, including supplies on which tax is to be paid on reverse charge basis. So basically inward supplies details which are there in table 4, composition dealers are not required to file the same for the quarter July 2017 to September 2017. There is one more relief. Details to be filled in GSTR 4A has also been dispensed with. There is one more big information for all of you. Earlier, GSTR 3B, which is the summary return, was required to be filed only for the month of July and August. But now, GSTR 3B is required to be filed from August till December 2017. The due dates, the specific dates for filing of GSTR 3B is not yet notified by the government as such. There is one more information for the people who want to avail the benefit of composition schemes, who want to opt the composition schemes. The registration had been extended to 30th September 2017. That means they can opt for composition schemes up to 30th September 2017. Earlier, this date was 16th August 2017, but now there is time gap has been increased. They can opt for composition scheme till 30th September 2017. One more big relief to all of you, those people who have by mistake filed wrong details in GSTR 1, have booked wrong credit, claimed wrong credit. There is one more relief for all of you. Now you can revise GST TRAN 1. Yes guys, you can now revise GST TRAN 1. The last date for filing of the same has been extended to 31st October 2017. Okay, there is one more information in the press release. People who want to take registration, who are liable to deduct TDS or TCS, that is tax deducted at source, and who are liable to collect tax collected at source, who are liable to take registration under these two things. The due date for the same for taking registration is 18th September 2017. However, the dates for which TDS and TCS will be collected or deducted is not yet notified by the government. The dates will be notified in the future. There is one more information regarding registration. As you all know that persons who are making taxable interstate supplies So in the press release, apart from the extension of the due dates, there is one more information regarding exemption from registration for few people. As you all know, there is a requirement for mandatory registration under section 24 of the CGST Act if a person is doing interstate taxable supplies. But in the press release, as you can see over here, the person who is doing interstate taxable supplies of handicraft goods is given exemption from registration, but he has to fulfill a certain few conditions. The supply should be up to 20 lakh rupees, plus he should have a valid PAN, plus the supply of such goods should be under e-way bill, under a cover of e-way bill. If all these conditions are fulfilled, though he is doing interstate taxable supplies of handicraft goods, he will be exempt from registration. Apart from this, a job worker is also given this exemption from interstate taxable supply of job work service. Again, if he has to fulfill certain conditions for that, good supplies should be under a cover of e-way bill, and the exemption should be given irrespective of the value of the consignment. However, there is one more point over here, that this particular exemption in the job work is not applicable to jewelry, goldsmith and silversmith, because they do not require e-way bill for such transfer. I just tried to cover all the points of the press release. I hope this was an informative video for all of you. Please subscribe to my channel for more such updates in the future. Like and share my video as much as possible in order to spread the knowledge. Thank you very much. Namaste.